morning and you still have so much energy. Praise God. Praise the living Jesus. I'm happy to be here with you. When Akpororo say he won't misbehave, myself, I feel like misbehaving. When I misbehave, Akpororo gets second shirt. We don't get second shirt here if I want to behave. But my own is to thank you, to greet you. After the Almighty, we must thank Adedoja Allen, who has been wonderful in organizing this. So please, give her 3 goza for me. Goza, goza. Thank you. Today is to greet you. Today, you know, we have come to praise. Today is about praise in the city. But even with praise in the city, I will tell you one thing. All of you here, the way you praise God, the way we praise God, is that we live like God. They say we should be Christ-like. And that is that we must give Caesar unto what it belongs to Caesar. That means for election time, it's not enough to praise Jimi Agbaje here. It's important that you come out and vote 2019. Are you going to vote? Are you going to vote? There's 2 ways, oh. There are 2 ways. Let me tell you, many of you, they will trouble me. They say we don't see poster. I said, don't worry, you will see poster. But who they vote? Now poster go vote? Is it poster going to vote? No. Who is going to vote? You are the ones going to vote. So if they remove all the poster, if they remove all the board, the people are going to vote. There are 2 ways you can vote at this next election. We say it is either you are voting for the People's Lagos or you are voting for one man's Lagos. So you hear me well, look. It's either you are voting for the People's Lagos or you are voting for one man's Lagos. Let me ask you, you want what? But they said there's nothing like freedom. To vote for freedom for governorship, who are you going to vote for? Who are you going to vote for? When you get home, you will tell them that you have decided to vote for Jimi Agbaje. So we can sing that song. I have decided to vote Jimi Agbaje. I have decided. Decided vote Jimi Agbaje. No turning back. No turning back. God bless you all.
Kilarigbo, ètò tí a fi ọ̀nà àrà gbé kalẹ̀ fún ìgbádùn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti mú àwọn òṣèré jàǹkànjàǹkàn súnmọ́ yín pẹ́kípẹ́kí fún ìròyìn tó perégedé bó ṣe ń lọ lójú agbo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.